What up, e-bike buyers, potential e-bike customers? We are out here in an abandoned Sonic parking lot. And we got a new toy. We got a big box here with nothing on it. Doesn't say what it is. In here we have no room for anything. We got 3 bikes and a scooter, and we're about to have another one. Anybody want to buy any of this stuff? Not the Suron. Yeah, what's in here? Let's start cracking it open. We have in this box a Freego F1. Free as in free for me. Go as in it goes. It goes when you hit the throttle. Man, these are some serious staples. I don't know where I'm supposed to be doing unboxing videos as a bus lifer, you know? Dang, that is hard. Okay, also, woo, look at that beautiful green. This is a really interesting bike because of the price. It is $16.99, which is like half the price of a Super 73, and it's a Super 73 competitor. So if maybe you don't care so much about the Super 73 branding and you just kind of want a nice fat tire bike, wow, that's pretty Super 73 right there. Maybe this is the bike for you. $16.99, free shipping, no taxes, they say. Yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna tuck this thing. I just bought some new toe straps though. And I don't know where this box is gonna go. This blanket came with the bus. The 2 homeless dudes that were living in it were using this blanket to shade, to block the windows. I don't think I can pull this out myself. Unless I'm really strong. I did move this box on my own. Probably a better way to do this. Wow, I like this green. I like this green more than the, well, I wouldn't say more, but I specifically asked for the green because I got a green Super and I want to see what they look like next to each other. That is a cool looking green. What kind of shocks we got here? HLT 100s. Freego. You're free to go. Officer, I know my rights. Am I free to go? You're free to go. Man, it's times like this I could really use a Greg. Oh, okay, we're already there. We're already there. Wow. Or a Steph.
Okay.
But we out here. We lone wolfing. Dude, what? Why would they do this like this? We're gonna come back to that. Don't mess up the paint. Oh, I like free stuff. I like new, expensive, free things. Not just because they're nice and I don't have to pay for them, but because I know the haters are watching. The haters are watching closer than the lovers are watching. And the lovers are watching pretty damn close. Okay, that is concerning. Just a minor nick from shipping. It's not like that's an important part or nothing, but don't like that little scuff. I guess let's flip her upside down. That's probably going to be the easiest. Not that heavy of a bike, actually. I had it shipped to a buddy's house, and then I manhandled it all the way down the driveway into my bus, all on my lonesome. I know you guys get freaked out when I use knives and I cut towards myself. Okay, this sucker is about to tip over. There's a little scuff there too. That's not for me, is it? Okay, let's flip her right side up before something bad happens here. Ah! That doesn't count as something bad. Woo! That thing's cool. It looks a little smaller. I think it's smaller than the Super 73. Dang, this comes with a headlight. How is it half the price of a Super and it comes with a headlight? And a tail light? I don't know if that's a brake light or just a tail light. We will see. Okay, handlebars, headlight, and we're done. Nothing like building a brand new bike in an abandoned Sonic parking lot. Be happy. Oh, there's mountain bikers. There's mountain bikers parking here because we're right next to a mountain bike track, which is where we're gonna test this, probably, because look at these tires. We got our mountain bike helmet on and we got pedals, so maybe we'll be okay. Today is beautiful and sunny out. Ooh, wow. That Audi just smoked that Charger. Did you guys hear that supercharged Audi wagon? I almost respect dickheads like that. Yeah, it's so nice out today. Look at the sun's out. We're making tons of electricity. Friday, next week, it's going to be 15 degrees. I'm not ready. Ooh, these are nice BMX style handlebars. Oh yeah. What do you guys think about the design of this one? It's a bit different. It's a little bit different, but I think it's cool. We'll have to see how she rides, but definitely looks like it's worth $16,900. No way. It has a derailleur. Dude. How do they get away with this? How do they get away with charging $16,900 for this? We're gonna see. We're gonna see what makes this bike so cheap once we hit the trail. Okay, last thing we gotta do is put the headlight on, but I just wanna sit on it for a sec, see if we need to charge it. Oh, taller. I think it's taller than a Super 73. Okay, battery. Battery on. Look at these little plug here. Oh, ooh, USB? We're gonna have to test to see if that works, because I've been fooled by bikes that have USBs. Wow. Oh, wow, and it's full? Oh, all kinds of stuff. 5 levels of assist. And it comes with this free little cargo dealy bob. Whoa! All right, let's not get too excited. Let's go over the tiny little dings that we got from shipping. Just that little thing there, and then a little thing on the fork. Oh yeah, right there. I'm excited to hit the trail with something that has suspension. I'm telling you guys, I crashed my Sur-Ron because of my suspension. Not because I'm a noob. When I was going up that hill, I was going up it. My front wheel did not compress, and I came plummeting down to the earth and hurt my shin. Then I went back and I looked at my shin, and it was just a perfect imprint of my peg. Huh. Not bad. Plug that guy in, and we got ourselves a bike. Charger. Let's look at the charger specs. Input 100 240 volt, 2.5 amps max, so it's not fast, but output 54.6 volts at 3 amps. Okay. Keys. Let's not lose this stuff. Comes with extra little bits and bobs, not sure what they all are for, but we got enough. We got enough of it together to get the feel for it. We got the front fender, but I really don't want to put that on. We'll mock it up just so you guys can see what it looks like, if it's so important to you guys. Yeah. Freego F1. Dude. That guy's driving like, and then there's a electric Bolt, Chevy Volt, chasing him. That guy drove like that because he saw another Charger. The thing about electric stuff is that when you're flexing, you're just flexing on the one guy you're racing, you know what I'm saying? You don't got a bunch of people at the patio being like, what the heck? You know what I mean? I don't know, loud cars, I used to like them. I used to, you know, I did have a 4-cylinder Eclipse with a big ass cannon on the back that made it super loud. Kickstand up. We might have to adjust our brakes and stuff. Ooh, ooh. Okay, front fork is great. Let me click my helmet here. Okay, which one's rear? Oh, we might have to adjust our brakes a little bit. Oh, okay, so cushy. This is a cushy ass ride. Let's put her in mode 5. And let's look for a dumpster. What is this? Something abandoned? Love it. Dumpster. Central waste. This is where our box is going. Whoa, there's a freaking half pipe here. There's a freaking half pipe behind the Mathnasium Learning Center. Ooh, it's chilly when you go fast. Okay, we're gonna hit full speed. Brrr! All right, so it's not as fast as the Super 73. Oh, no, it is. It just takes longer to get there. Woo! I'm freezing my dick off! Okay, shocks. Initial impressions. I think it looks cool. I think it looks fine for the price. The suspension is probably, I mean, it looks cheap, but it feels fine for $1,600. Battery, I think it's kind of in a weird spot, but it's fine. I think it looks cool, and God, should we pull out the Super? Let's pull out the Super, because we're gonna have to anyways. Okay, that was a pain in the ass, but we got it out. Right there, we have Super 73 R Series, which I paid for I paid 29 something for it. Pre-ordered it back in the day. I think now they're like 35, and this is the downgraded version. This isn't even the RX. This is like the cheapest full suspension Super 73 you can get right now. And this is the Freego F1. It's taller, and I think the wheelbase is actually the same. Seat is a little taller, a little thicker, and the handlebars are way higher. Actually, those handlebars are aftermarket, so I don't really remember what the Super 73 handlebars look like. Huh. This green, no, I don't know. I don't know which green I like more, but I can already tell you the seat's more comfortable on this. The riding position is a little better, and the price, come on. This is a very good beginner e-bike, I would say, especially at $16,999. Let's talk about what you're getting on this bike for half the price that you're not getting on the Super 73. For one, headlight. Taillight. Wow, it's a working brake light. That's actually dope. Functioning brake light and headlight. Storage, I got that. That's aftermarket though. Comes with this little thing. You can put your phone in there, put whatever. And a Shimano derailleur. The Super 73 sells a derailleur for like 250 bucks that you got to put on yourself. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you sticking to your old school Super 73? Or is this something that you would buy? We're going to take it on the mountain bike trails. Hopefully not damage it or nothing. Hopefully not piss anybody off. But use my code and my link below, code loophole, for something off. Let's say 300 bucks. I don't know. Actually, don't quote me. I don't know how much that was off. But if you want to buy one, use my code and it'll help me out. And that's the vlog. That's the unbox. It's not a vlog. It's an unboxing video. We're about to make a vlog. But yeah, thanks for supporting the channel. Click that like button and let me know what you think about the Freego F1 so far. Thanks, guys. Peace.